Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, we're at Universal Citywalk. It's Christmas Day. We're going to Christmas lunch. Come on in, check it out. Yes guys, we are here at Citywalk. It's Christmas Day, and no, yes, you're not seeing things. People have hats on, they have coats on, they have mittens on. Why? Because it's 38 degrees in Orlando, Florida at noon. It's unbelievable. It's the coldest Christmas day in 33 years, I guess, is what I saw on the news today. So I figured I'd give you a little weather update on this Christmas day here from Universal. But we're going to eat lunch today over at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. We like this restaurant. It's really cool inside. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like here as we're coming up. Our reservations for 12:15, we're a little early, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'll head in, because there's a part of the Chocolate Emporium that has, like, they sell candies, they sell merch. So let's have a little look in there as we're waiting for our table to be called. Guys, as we are kind of going in, I just kind of wanted to let you know it's got it's kind of like the steampunk, they call it, theming. It's really cool. As when you walk in, if you come in and you just kind of want, like, over on this side, you can get like milkshakes and sundaes. This is kind of like a quick service area. There's nobody here yet. It's still kind of early though. And then you can just go through here and you can sit inside here. And sometimes when it's not busy, outdoors here is kind of open seating. I got a feeling today for Christmas, but it is cold out. They might not even use that. So yeah, over on this side again, kind of like a quick service area. And then to the other side, you'll find different merch. And it's just a cool place. You can kind of see the theming in here. I apologize for the camera in here, guys. The lighting isn't great. But there's all kinds of different things you can get. Really cool merch. Hats and shirts. Because we did do our check-in. So what they do is they text you when it's ready. So just pay attention to your phone if you do a check-in and you want to come and hang out over here. But you can see they have all kinds of the Volt candies. All kinds of cool stuff in here. Not doing it like an in-depth tour of all the merch, but I just kind of wanted to give you an idea. I do want to show you one other thing over here, because they have a bunch of treats that you can pick from. You guys can see all the cool different treats they have. This one looks like a Christmas one. It's a peppermint bomb. Look at that. So an ugly sweater cookie looks like back there. All kinds of cool stuff. These are the little truffles. Just to give you an idea of pricing. Like I said, I do have a vlog here where I do a much more in-depth on the merch. I'll put a link in for you guys if you want to check it out. But today mainly here for lunch. So we're going to take a little we'll wait for our table to get called, and then we'll show you what we get. We'll give you a full review here on Christmas Day. Brrr. We got our spot, and we've eaten here several times, but I've never eaten in this area. It's kind of really cool because we got all these beautiful windows here to look out over the Citywalk, and they got the bar right here. Again, I'm going to apologize if it's a little dark, but some of the natural lighting here is cool. So it's a little bit of a different area than we're used to sitting, but I think it's really neat. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna order some food, we're gonna enjoy a Christmas dinner along with you watching Medling World. Take a moment, please subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Let's dig in. Here you have the scan for the menu, or you can actually ask for the menu. I've already punched it up here, so I just kind of want to show you guys. Let's start at the top here. So they do have lots of different appetizers. One thing we like about this restaurant is it's quite a variety of different things. So just kind of scanning through so you guys can have a look. And then when we get to what we ordered, I'll show you. So we're still moving on. No, I'm not eating salad today. It's Christmas. No salad for me. It is cold. I thought about some soup. No flatbread. Nah, not really interested in that. But, oh, I didn't even notice the sandwiches when I went by. Oh, I probably would have I might have changed my mind and got that ribeye sandwich. That's okay. That sounds good. But you can see lots of different varieties, right? So what I got, guys, is I got the teriyaki hamburger, but I added some jalapeno cheese to it, so it looks pretty good. It's got that teriyaki glaze, grills pineapple, shiitake mushrooms, all kinds of cool stuff. And then you guys can see my little notification of some of the people I follow on Twitter. Actually, they're awesome. They do good vlogs. The guy just came up. And Jake got the... Which one did you get, Jake? The cheddar bacon burger. Wow. Jake is going to have a half-pound burger today with the lettuce, roasted tomato, signature sauce, sesame seed bun, and a bunch of cheddar bacon. Ooh, that sounds good. And Roberta kept it pretty simple today with the wild mushroom chicken risotto. So let's try them out when they get here, guys. And of course, we're having our little beverages. And yes, the readers are on. So as you can see, this restaurant's a lot of fun. This area is, again, a little bit different than what we're used to. If you get back into these other areas, like I said, I'll drop a link. There's almost like animation on the walls with all the different steampunk going with the machines as they're making the chocolate. It's really neat. But I'm enjoying this, and I'm enjoying just kind of looking out on a cold day, and it feels like Christmas. So guys, I just kind of wanted to explain, because what we started doing several years ago, even before we moved here to Florida, was we kind of incorporated going out to eat on Christmas Day. We would travel here a lot during Christmas time, and while we were here, we started eating out on Christmas Day. And then when we moved here, it's just us three usually on Christmas Day. So instead of making this big, huge meal at home, we just kind of go out and have a nice lunch together, and then we go back home and relax for the rest of the day. This guy right here, Jake, is ready to go play and have fun for the rest of the day with some of his Christmas presents he received. So that's just kind of why we do go out for Christmas Day. Just figured I'd let you guys know. And we have eaten here before on Christmas Day, at least once or twice. I know for sure at least once when we traveled here. Last Christmas, we actually ate across the way at NBC Grill, which was kind of a hit or miss. So, but so far today, it's just been relaxing and enjoying. And that's what Christmas is all about, right? And good service, Alice. Alice is our waitress today. Excellent, by the way. Shout out to Alice. And all of the service industry working on Christmas Day, which I have worked many, many years on Christmas Day, along with this one right here. So we do give a shout out, and we appreciate all the service workers, not just here at the theme parks, but police, fire, everybody that's committed to service. Thank you very much. Look at that. Oh, I'm loving that. I can't wait to see if it tastes like teriyaki, right? And these are the chips. These are like a kettle chip. I get these here a lot. Oh, Roberta, it's Christmas. You can have one. And his, Roberta said I said this wrong. Go ahead, Roberta. What is it? Wild mushroom.
Chicken risotto.
Oh, see, I'm totally wrong. Chicken risotto.
Risotto.
Risotto, that's the word. And look at Jake. I think Jake is a big winner here, guys. Look at that burger. Look at that thick bacon. And Jake went with the fries. Wow. Can't wait. We're going to dig in, guys, and we'll let you know what we think of this. As you can see, that nice, awesome burger. I got it medium well. Burgers, I don't like too rare. I like my steaks medium rare, but this I got medium well. I think it's just perfectly cooked for me. You can see those pineapple chunks, the teriyaki, the jalapeno cheese. I took a big bite. It's excellent. I was talking about wanting to taste the teriyaki. I can taste it. I can taste the beef. I can taste the pineapple. Very, very good. I'm really enjoying this burger, guys. We had to go out and get old school real menu for the dessert. You guys can take a look here at some of the awesome desserts. This place does have amazing desserts. And I'm gonna flip this over in a minute and show you what's on the other side. I'm kind of looking on this side. That I do kind of like that banana cream pie. That looks pretty good. They're not cheap. They're like almost as much as our burger. But if you look on this side, we've had, oh, sorry guys, did you get dizzy on that? These are all their cool milkshakes. They're kind of known for these like gourmet milkshakes. Now, some of them are good. Other ones, I do remember having the red velvet, which I thought was very overrated. But some of them are better than others. So I think we're gonna stay away from the milkshake today. And we're gonna try something on the other side. Let's see what we get. Oh, by the way, Jake, how was your burger? How was your cheddar burger?
It was all right.
All right.
Yeah.
It was really big, I think. So we had to kind of cut it a little bit, right? But
Yeah.
how was the flavor and everything on it?
It was decent.
So Jake,
the patty itself wasn't really that good.
okay. So the patty itself wasn't good, but you like the bacon and the cheddar
Yeah.
better then. So I guess Jake is kind of saying a little bit below average maybe for his burger. I thought mine was great, by the way, Jake. I really did. I loved it. Roberta, how about your risotto?
Risotto.
Yeah, that.
That was delicious. It was amazing. I think that's why we keep coming back in here.
And
It's
what'd
so
you
good.
say though about the chicken? You were mentioning.
The chicken, it didn't like seems like it was a lot of chicken, but it was like smaller pieces through the dish. So it kind of like it blended in. You can still taste it, but blended in more than if it was like pieces of the chicken on top.
Sorry guys, I know it's
like
a little
this.
dark.
Yeah, like that. Okay.
So Roberta, you did mention yours was really good,
The
but
flavor was amazing.
The
A lot of mushrooms.
tons of mushrooms. Not a ton. Well, there was chicken, but it was kind of smaller pieces.
Yeah, so it was like mix it in.
But
it was good.
It was good though.
Yes.
So risotto was good.
Amazing.
My burger was really good.
Yeah.
Jake's is saying his was a little bit, maybe a little bit below average. What do you think? Let's try a dessert. It's Christmas. We gotta try a dessert.
Always.
Let's see
always
what we're
room
gonna
for
get.
dessert.
Let's surprise you guys. We'll get one. Guys, take a look at this. Roberta's over here showing her Brazilian family. We just talked to May. This is called banana cream pie, believe it or not. It's basically looks, well, yeah, they got like some pie stuff, but take a look at it. It's got all kinds of stuff on it.
Milhões.
I think it's just self-explanatory. You got some strawberry, some vanilla. Looks like some banana chips there. Wow, this looks good. We're gonna dig into this, guys, right now. Jake, what'd you think of the dessert?
It was good, 8.5.
8.5?
I got filled up quickly.
He did. He really did get filled up quickly. And guys, you can see the jackets are on. We're not used to this cold here, believe me. This is the coldest I've ever felt living here in 3 years, by far. And we're eating ice cream, so we're cold. But this was called a banana cream pie, but it was more like a banana cream pie with a banana split. So it was really good. All right, guys, so we're back out here. Another nice look here as we're coming out. Usually what it is you check in. Sometimes they have like a setup out here to check in, but so cold today that there was quite a crowd though inside. So because everybody was waiting inside for their tables, where you would usually, like I said, a lot of people out here waiting. But man, it's cold. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. I hope you enjoyed Christmas lunch with Medling World today. Look at Jake. He feels like he's back in Connecticut.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody, although you are watching this.
Merry Christmas.
So, thank you to all our Patreons. Please subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, stay warm. No, just kidding. See ya!